We don't need a passport to get back, right? This is good. Salamat. Okay. Thank you. Woo! We're going to excursion. We're here. Welcome Kusadasi. Hello. Welcome Kusadasi. Yeah. Kinuha mo ba yung papel ko? Alright, we're here in a House of Virgin Mary tour. Kusadasi. Hi, baby. We're here in House of Virgin Mary, baby girl.
And you will see fountains.
Arkadaşlar bir yavaşlayalım mı? 2 dakika.
Okay, you will see them. And there's a place over there where you can light the candles. And then you will walk downstairs. You will go to the lower level where you will see.
Camera stop.
Hi. And mommy. Wait lang, Mia. Ito ang hagdan noon eh. Ay, ba, picture ka pa.
Teka magugas.
Ano? Hi, go. Daddy.
Nakain ka ba yung kain?
Grabe. Alam.
How much is this?
Say hi, dog.
Come on.
Duh.
Okay. Push, push. Push the change.
We're here in the magnificent Ephesus. And that's the good stuff. Wow. Careful. Wow. Look at that. Oh, di ba? Like it, Hannah? Okay, now you gotta take a picture.
Slow down. Come on.
Look at this. So nice. It's like history right here. You only see this in YouTube.
Slow. Do not jump. Do not jump.
Wow, sabi. Wow. Hindi raw sila, lagi doon.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Hang up.
Wow, look at these steps. It's all marble. May need to be a little bit careful walking. It's a little slippery, but Hannah is always in the first place because she thinks she's Sonic. Okay, go. Alright. Hey, queso! One more. Then we have this right here.
Mas maraming
Wow, look at this. Wow. Oh, the foundation. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Sabi ni Ana niya. Ancient poo machine.
The seats. Look at the channel. The sewage. Wow.
Oh wow.
The dirt to the main sewage system, which is outside under the mountain.
It's really steep in here. Okay, lakad ka. What's up, girl? How you doing? You doing alright? Alright, so here we go. We're gonna go back down. It's gonna be larong buffet. Oh, this girl is on fire. Malapit na tayo mga sa baba na tayo. Oh, hindi museum. gonna go walk up. Yeah. Gotta be really careful with the steps. Wow.
Might as well.
Okay.
Laban.
Trees. And at the back there were shops. Look at the foundations of the shops where they sold the manufactured goods. And silversmiths had shops here too. Silversmiths of Ephesus grew very rich. They produced the idols of Artemis and sold them to the tourists in the markets. It was a big business. And on the other hand, St. Paul the Apostle, came to Ephesus twice on his third missionary journey. And this is the Grand Theater of Ephesus that has 24,000 people of capacity. That's the one we saw on the way to Ephesus from the bus.
Kanina pa ito naglalambitin.
Ang mabigat eh.
May chonky. Ikaw?
Daddy?
Huh?
Daddy?
Okay, we're gonna see the mountain right now. Okay, we're leaving Kusadasi. We're done with the tour and we're about to embark. And we're hungry. Anna bought the biggest lollipop ever. And see you guys later. Next stop, Istanbul. Alright, man.